What's going on, guys? It's almost 9 a.m. Saturday morning. I just wanted to do a morning routine video here for our fall setup. We're working on a Saturday right now, so we're pretty not behind, but we're not where we're supposed to be due to the rain and the wind, and we got tons of stuff to do here. So like I said, real quick, just kind of like a fall morning of video, how I get a few things situated and kind of just get everything prepped and ready to go. So usually when your guys roll in or you start the day, you know, you don't want to have a bunch of downtime by doing things and getting things situated. So as the owner, you know, as a business, I'd like to get ahead of that, so they get in, they can roll out and go. Now, it's not like this every day. Sometimes I have other things I have to do. So I just wanted to show you how our morning is for fall setup, you know, like like how we roll out for the fall. So check it out. First thing I like to do is check the tires over on everything really quick. Obviously, you know, you check the gauges, but I just like to make sure there's no flats to start with. You guys that have businesses, you hit a nail, you don't know until the next morning, you're about to roll out, your tire's flat. So that's one thing, God forbid if there is, I like to make sure I'm ahead of, so, you know, again, you're not behind when everyone comes in, so. And again, I just like to, just a visual, that's all it is. So, like I said, it's just a quick visual of the tires. I like to obviously warm everything up, get everything going. Again, this is just kind of like a morning routine video, guys. It's not much. I just like to kind of get everything ready to go, you know. You don't want downtime. You know, it's something that'll eat up your overhead. It's just not good. So. Another minor thing too, make sure everything's hooked up. You know, again, just a simple thing. Make sure your chains are on, everything's attached. good. It's good. It's too filled. Again, guys, just I'm just rolling with it. This is what I do most mornings, just to make sure everything's ready to go. You know, just like I said, fill everything up, check all the basic stuff, so you can just roll out. You know, you're ready to go. There's no downtime, no, like I said, you don't want anything eating your overhead, anything like that. So everything's good to go, warmed up, and just kind of roll out. So again, I like to fill everything up in the morning, just because, again, you get to that first property and you can just start out. You know, there's no pulling up and then sitting around for 10 minutes and talking and filling everything up. This is a mess. This is our landscape trailer. We only got a couple weeks left. This is this setup. I'm gonna have a better in-depth video in the winter, but we got hedge trimmers on the wall. This is our string trimmer for when we're cleaning beds. We put that fresh edge on after every cleanup. Hedge trimmers hanging up. One's down there. Blowers, cans, rakes, tarps. So that'll be more in depth, but that's what we got so far here. Then in here on the clipboards and the binders would be, you know, the route, everything going on for the day. Put one of those in each truck. That's how that would go. I don't have that paper. This is empty. Tires are off. Good to go. Do have in here this cooler, the Yeti in the back, filled with all this. It's good to go. That's filled up. And one thing I like to do also is grab a rag in here. And just like how I check the tires on all these trucks and trailers, you gotta check it for the mowers too. You check the oil and everything, make sure everything's good to go. Tires are good. Tires are good. Good. Needs to be changed big time. Luckily we only got a week left. And our Honda's covered up in here. Again, these last few weeks have been rough, so nothing in here is organized. I'm still putting racks up. It's been one heck of a, it's been a rainy and wet fall, and it's been a mess. So cool. Good to go. Good to go. That tires are checked. Just the little things, guys. And then these blades are pretty sharp. I sharpen these in the fall doing trimmings. I'll sharpen these usually every night, just to be ready. So all this stuff, all the little stuff, the big stuff, because most days in the fall it's a full day of hedge trimming bushes, you know, just chopping everything down. So these got to be sharp, and the hand one's got to be sharp. That I do the night before. I'm not going to do that in the morning. It'd make a lot of noise, but again, guys, this is just a quick video. It's very, very basic. Obviously, I just wanted to go over just what I do in the morning before everyone gets here. check the tires on everything, fill everything up, make sure these trailers are connected to the trucks, so you know you're not coming in the morning playing musical trucks. Make sure each truck has each trailer on top of that. Make sure, you know, well, obviously we dumped the trucks the day before, so everything's empty unless we don't make it to the dump. So one of the trucks did not make it to the dump, so they're gonna have to go when they fill up. But that's what I do there. So everything's gone. You know, your turnkey, when they come in, you just go. You know, they can just roll out. So that's what I do. In the summer, it's much different. I have a video somewhere of me doing this for the summer. I'm gonna find that and post that up. In the summer, I'll get out here, warm everything up that's going out. I change the blades, I fill everything up. There's a lot of people that will say, you know, your time should be put somewhere else, obviously, when you're in that position. But what will take you 10-15 minutes to just get up a little earlier and do that kind of stuff, or do it at the end of the day, some of it, but you know, you got to check tires in the morning and make sure everything's attached. I don't have a problem doing that. So when you get to the first job, there's no putzing around, there's no downtime. You just go, get to work, you know, everything's good. I like this. I've done it for a long time, and I think it's very important, and I think it'll help you out big time to do those little things, or to get there a little bit early. You know, why not? There's no excuse there. But that's it, guys. Again, quick video. Just wanted to kind of show what I do in the fall. You know, everything's filled up, everything's ready to go. So it's, you know, pretty basic. So the fall's a lot smoother than the summer. Like I said, in the summer I sharpen blades, check oil, check everything. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.